Dear students, in today's video, we are going to learn about the process of preparing honey from honeybees, the uses of honey, and also we are going to learn about some animals which live together and alone. Do animals live together? Yes, children. Even animals live together like human beings. Let us look into this matter. Animals like lions, wolves, deers, buffaloes live in a small group. Ants, bees, termites live in a large group. Tiger, jaguar live alone. Now let us move to the next topic. How do honeybees make honey? To make honey, the worker honeybee sucks nectar from flowers and stores it in its stomach. Once the worker bee returns to the hive, it vomits the nectar into a processor honeybee's mouth. In the processor bee's mouth and stomach, an enzyme called invertase is added to the nectar. Invertase breaks some nectar into simple sugars like glucose and fructose. Then it vomits the partially converted nectar into another processor bee's mouth. This process goes on until most of the nectar is converted into simple sugars. Then the mixture of simple sugars is stored in the honeycomb. At this point, the mixture is still watery. Hence, the bees flap their wings, which evaporates water and thickens the mixture to eventually form honey. In hive, there will be thousands of worker bees and one queen bee. Look at this picture. In the middle, you can see a queen bee and rest all are worker bees. The worker bees do the works such as building the hive, collecting food, looking after queen bee, etc. The work of queen bee is only laying eggs. The honeybees produce a sticky material called wax. They build the hive with the wax. We can see the hive on branches of trees, terrace of buildings, etc. People rear honeybees and collect the honey. Wooden boxes are kept in a garden and people get the honey collected in it. Children, honey has medicinal qualities. Look at this picture which shows the health benefits of honey. Do you know that all the honey you eat is not pure? People mix jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and sell it. Then, how do we find out whether the honey is pure or not? You can test whether the honey which you have at home is pure or not. Look at this video. The first one is dissolving test. As you can see in the first picture, it is adulterated honey or fake honey. In the next picture, it is pure honey. Now you have to take a cup of water and pour the honey into a cup of water. As you can see, the adulterated honey dissolved easily in water, but the pure honey settled down. Next one is flame test. You have to take tissue paper and dip it in honey and you have to light the tissue paper. You can see in adulterated honey no flame developed, but in pure honey flame is developed. Next one is blotting test. You have to take the tissue paper again and pour the honey into tissue paper. You have to fold the tissue paper and press gently. Now you can see adulterated honey leave wet marks on tissue paper, but the pure honey does not leave any wet marks on tissue paper. Next is thumb test. Pour the honey drop by drop on your thumb. You can see the adulterated honey drips off quickly, but the pure honey stays intact on the thumb. Now it's your time to test the honey at home. Did you know? A honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. The hive, nest, anthill, termite area, and spider's web are the wonderful constructions of the animal kingdom. The ant, which carries leaf on its back to protect itself from the sunlight, is called umbrella ant. I hope you have understood this lesson. Finally, I would like to say that we should value the efforts of honeybees and cherish every drop of honey. Thank you.